In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add captions to videos using Kapwing. Captions are essential for increasing the accessibility of your content and engaging a broader audience, and Kapwing offers a straightforward way to achieve this. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to head over to Kapwing's website. Simply open your web browser and type in kapwing.com. This is your portal to creating more content in less time with a variety of tools that Kapwing offers, all conveniently in one place. Once you're on the landing page, look towards the upper right corner and click on the Sign In button. This will take you to the Sign In page where you can access your Kapwing projects. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one to access full features and save your projects. Next, click on the Sign In with Google option. It's an easy way to log in without remembering another set of login details. You'll be prompted to choose your Google account, or you may need to enter your Google credentials if you aren't already logged in. After signing in, you'll find yourself in your project space. Here you'll see a list of your existing projects. Find and click on the specific project you wish to add captions to. If you're starting fresh, you can create a new project by uploading your video. With your project open, look for the Subtitles button, typically located on the left sidebar or along the top menu, depending on your screen size. Click on it to enter the subtitle editing panel. This is where the magic happens. Now, Kapwing offers an auto subtitles feature that can save you a lot of time. Click on this feature to let Kapwing automatically generate subtitles for your video. If you prefer, you can also start from scratch and add your own subtitles manually, tweaking and timing them exactly to your needs. Once you select Auto Subtitle, Kapwing will process your video, transcribing the audio and aligning subtitles to the corresponding speech automatically. This can take a little time depending on the length of your video, so be patient. When the auto-generated subtitles appear, you'll want to review them for any errors or timing issues. Kapwing's interface makes it easy to adjust the text, change fonts, colors, or sizes to match your style preferences, and fine-tune the timing if necessary. Finally, make sure to save your changes. Once you're satisfied, export your video with the added captions. Now your video is ready to be shared with improved accessibility and engagement potential. And that's it! You've successfully added captions to your video in Kapwing. It's a straightforward process that not only enhances the reach of your content, but also ensures inclusivity for all viewers. Happy video editing, and I hope this tutorial was helpful in your caption adding journey.